Withdrawing money from your Steam account after an account review can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Start by opening the Steam application or website and logging into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to your wallets. Once logged in, go to your account details by clicking on your profile name at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select account details and then find the Steam wallet section. Step 3. Check your balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Select withdrawal option. Look for the option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as withdraw funds or something similar. Click on it to proceed to the withdrawal process. Step 5. Follow withdrawal instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your withdrawal. You may need to provide payment details or select a payment method. Confirm the transaction and wait for the processing to complete. After completing these steps, you should receive your funds as per the selected payment method. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Steam support for assistance.